Hello, all of my viewers that watch my videos nowadays. So, I just wanted to let you guys know a few things before I start this cute little video that I made with my friend. By the way, his channel's in the link is in the description. So if you guys want to check out his channel, go ahead. So, yeah, basically, I've been gone for a while because of all the schoolwork and the lack of ideas I have in my head for, like, video ideas. So, if you guys have any video ideas that you want me to do, let me know in the comment section below, and, I'll be sure to use one of your ideas as for a video. And, I also wanted to say Happy Thanksgiving to those who celebrate it. It's pretty late now when this video is coming out, but, like, happy late Thanksgiving to those who celebrate it. And thank you all for like almost 900 subscribers. We're so close. We're at 898 at this moment. It might go down, might go up, who knows. But thank you all for that close sub count. We're so close. And I'm doing a 900 subscribers special, so once we reach 900 subscribers, I'll do a special for you guys. It could be really cool, it could be really bad, who knows. But anyway, that's all I have to say in this intro. So hopefully you enjoy this video that you see here. Rubik's Cube battles. What can you expect? So to all my cubers out there, which probably aren't a lot, enjoy the video, I guess. So see you guys later. No! There we go.
Finished in 35.64 seconds. Uncomfortable position this morning. Alright, we're past 1 minute. So that means in the comments where Diamond King was talking that he could do it in 1 minute, I guess he beat me. But let's see if he can actually do that. Putting your abilities to the test now, Diamond King. Ooh, everything's already in place. And I'm done. Two minutes and 20 seconds.